Hello, and welcome to eQuoteMD's Medical Malpractice Insurance video blog. I'm Tim Ryan, and I'm here to answer your medical malpractice insurance questions. Recently, I was asked to explain what exactly a BOR is. Now, a BOR stands for Broker of Record. It can also be referred to as an AOR, or an Agent of Record. BORs are used for a couple different things in the medical malpractice insurance market, and a doctor should know a couple things about it before he or she signs. So I'd like to discuss those with you today. Now, let's start with the reasons why a BOR is used first. A BOR is used for an existing policy or a policy that is being applied for by a doctor. Essentially what a BOR does is it replaces an old broker or agent with a new broker or agent to service a doctor's medical malpractice insurance policy. For the case of an existing policy, the doctor who has a medical malpractice insurance policy may or may not decide at some point during the life of that policy that a new broker or agent will be able to service his needs better than an old broker or agent. In this case, the doctor has the right to sign what's called the BOR and replace the old broker or agent with the new broker or agent who will do a better job at shopping the market and keeping the doctor up to date with current medical malpractice insurance information so that the doctor can make the best decisions for his or her practice. The second way that a BOR is used is for a policy that's going through the underwriting process, a medical malpractice insurance policy that's being applied for. Now, in this case, if a specific broker sends in an application for a doctor, and then the doctor decides that a new broker would do a better job with that policy as it goes through the underwriting process, he or she can again sign the BOR, remove the old broker from the policy, and add the new broker so that the new broker can take the doctor's policy through the underwriting process and into fruition as a full-fledged policy. Now, when a doctor signs a BOR, there's a couple things to keep in mind. First, that any BOR is going to have a 5 to 10 day waiting period where the insurance company is notified of the BOR, and then the insurance company notifies the old broker or agent of the BOR. That old broker or agent then has, like I said, that 5 to 10 day period to talk to the doctor to make sure that this is exactly what the doctor wants to do. If the doctor decides to change his mind, he can rescind that BOR policy and keep the old broker. If the doctor has made the right decision and wants to keep the new broker, he can just leave things as they are, and after that 5 or 10 day waiting period, the new broker will be in charge of that policy. Secondly, before a doctor signs anything like a BOR, he needs to understand that this will effectively remove the old broker from the policy. If the doctor still has a good relationship with that old broker and wants to keep that old broker as the person taking care of his policy, he should not sign the BOR. Another thing to keep in mind with BORs is the fact that the BOR only applies to the specific medical malpractice insurance company that you either are applying for coverage from or currently have a policy with. This does not in any way affect any other companies in the medical malpractice insurance market that you have not applied for, or any other companies maybe in other states where you currently have a medical malpractice insurance policy. Again, I'm Tim Ryan here to answer your medical malpractice insurance questions. Please feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. Love to help you out in any way that I can. Have a great day.